Hi guys, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? Today I am back with my new brand GRWM for the Janmashtami occasion, and I want to get ready where I can give some pearl tone and touch of the peacock elegance. So just let's get ready, which should consist of a little bit Radha's elegance, and it should completely inspired by Radha, and yes, it should be modern, graceful. So come and just follow me. Get ready with me. So okay, as usual, let's start with moisturizing the skin. So I have a Body Shop tea tree primer that I'm gonna use as a base on my face. Firstly, it's actually a good top 10 primer. So if you guys have a pigmentation issues, then you can apply this primer so that it will not react to your skin and your makeup would be completely smooth. Let's leave it for a few seconds. All right, so here I'm gonna start with applying the K Beauty primer, a completely glowing and very shimmery primer. Even in my also previous video, you guys must have observed that I always apply the K Beauty primer as a base on my face, since it gives a very fine look. In order to get a soothy, glowing, elegance look, I just keep on applying it. So since it's a Janmashtami occasion, I want to get ready like a Radha, and it should carry the touch of the peacock elegance, so that I just wore this green color go with the festival occasion. All right, see. Yes, after that, actually, I usually avoid applying foundation on my face in order to avoid the patchy look. And since I thought of today, I'm gonna get a glowing face, should be look like the Radha inspiring. Okay, after that, I'm going to apply the concealer. It's a color bar concealer, as you guys can see. You guys can order it as per your skin tone. I've ordered this for the light skin tone, and the makeup should look very light instead of very heavy. Let's spread it. Yes, after that, I'm gonna apply this Maybelline foundation. I think I usually prefer the Maybelline foundation because it spreads very well and it always protects your skin from the sun rays. So you will get the extra skin protection by this, because it consists of 2022 SPF. Let me apply the foundation. If you rely on your concealer, if you have a good branded concealer, then you don't have to apply the foundation too much on your face, in order to avoid the heavy makeup only. And you know, concealer is enough itself to radiate the glow on your face while hiding the spots. I usually don't apply concealer as well too much, but as you can see, you know, if you have a spots, then you can hide your spots by the concealer properly by applying it particularly on the spot area. I'm not even too much sure that this makeup actually goes with my entire look and my desired outfit, what I have expected. तो अभी इस फिलहाल के लिए ये देखते हैं कि actually whether it will work or not. So here, as you can see, I have applied the foundation and it has spread it properly over my face, as you guys can see. So here, actually I have baby hair too much, and even despite removing them in parlor while having the forehead, but still I do have this much hair. I don't know because, but well, it's god gifted, and it sometimes makes my look much better also. Okay, so here, as everyone's favorite, Pond's BB Plus cream. BB Plus cream, if you have applied foundation, then you don't have to apply it. But actually, if you get more toned skin, then you can apply this BB cream foundation. It will definitely makes your skin too much toned and intact. Like sometimes it happens, people always ask you before applying the makeup on your face whether you want the matte makeup or glossy makeup. So sometimes you people say like, I don't want properly glossy makeup, neither I want matte makeup. So it's a combination. So if those people who loves glossy with the matte look, then they can apply this BB cream. It will give you also a sort of good touch up over your face. See, skin is very sensitive actually, so usually I avoid applying a lot of makeup on my face. I just keep on applying just on the occasion, not on daily basis. तो अगर आप मेरा face, I mean यूजली विदाउट मेकअप ही देखोगे, कोई भी वीडियो में देख लोगे तो मैं यूजली विदाउट मेकअप ही दिखती हूँ सबको. एंड दिस इज़ माई एक्चुअली द क्वालिटी. आई डोंट नो क्वालिटी बोलो या तो फिर मेरी मजबूरी बोलो. Alright, so after that I have this Mars eyebrow pencil, just to in order to get a very dewy and cool eye look. I just keep on applying the shimmery eyeshadow on my eye. And as I said, I'm gonna just get a very cool eye and a dewed look. So I have got this Mars eyeshadow palette for you guys, so I'm just gonna apply. Well, as my look should be too much rather inspired and too much it should have the touch of the peacock elegance, so I'm gonna apply firstly the base of eyeshadow, which is ऑफ स्किन कलर. एक्चुअली मेरे पास ग्रीन कलर का कोई भी इसमें कलर है नहीं, सो आई डोंट हैव अ ग्रीन कलर एज ऑफ नाउ इन माई Mars eyeshadow palette. So in order to cope up with the applying green color on my face, I'm gonna apply the orange shade. This is the orange shade I'm gonna apply. I don't know how it's gonna look and how you guys gonna react after just seeing the complete look, but I will just try my best because मैं भी धीरे धीरे जैसे आप सीख रहे हो मैं भी सीख ही रही हूँ मेकअप करना. I'm not too much expert in makeup, as I told you, I don't apply too much makeup on my face. So here, as you guys can see, and the eye look should keep on shimmering, and it should keep on shine. So it always brings out the confidence on your face if you have a good eye makeup. And eye makeup should not also carries the heavy look, क्योंकि heavy look हमेशा आपकी eyebrows down करता है, and any which ways your look would seem so much dizzy and lazy, lethargic, क्योंकि down रहेंगे eyes and you always keep on having a letharginess in your body. तो वो चीज़ नहीं लानी हमें. तो in order to overcome with that, we will apply a simple light eye makeup that will definitely it radiates a glow and a grace on your face rather than having a very awful look. Like लोग कहते हैं कि काफ़ी डेंजरस सा लुक लगने लगता है कि ज़्यादा आई शेडो अपने आँख में पोत दिया और ज़्यादा रूज पोत दिया ना, तो वो लुक बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब लगता है. एंड आई keep my look always pretty and very light, so I really don't apply any dark eyeshadows on my face. This is the orange color. Yeah, it is going actually. And I have this eyeliner. This is a shimmery one. I really love it. Actually, it radiates the shine over my eye. I think, yes, it looks so pretty. How pretty it is. Wow. I've really fallen in divine of Lord Krishna, and I'm too much spiritual and devotional. So wow, my eye makeup is done. Next, let's go with the eyeliner. I have a Lakme iconic eyeliner. See, ये लैक्मे आइकॉनिक आईलाइनर एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड आई फील माई सेल्फ वेरी फिट विद इट्स बिकॉज दिस इज़ द वन जो यूजली ड्राई नहीं होता जल्दी जल्दी. ज़्यादातर मेरे आईलाइनर जो हैं ड्राई बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं. देन मुझे अगेन आई हैव टू कीप ऑन परचेजिंग द न्यू आईलाइनर. ये आईलाइनर यार मेरे से आईलाइनर दोनों आईज़ में प्रॉपरली लगता नहीं है. इट नेवर लुक सिमिलर ऑन माई बोथ द आईज़ बिकॉज आई एम ऑलवेज फेल्ड इन अप्लाइंग आईलाइनर. तो ऑन बेसिस ऑफ दैट प्लीज़ डोंट जज मी क्योंकि आई एम ऑलवेज फेल्ड to apply this. Sorry guys. Okay, so now it's done for the highlighter. It's Swiss Beauty highlighter. I'm gonna apply on my face. So it's actually good highlighter. This is the one thing which cannot avoid after applying the full makeup. Here highlighter. Yeah. As I told you, it's better to keep on shining every time, so you have to use it as a mandate product over your face while applying the makeup and to finish the makeup to give the complete look. The kajal, I'm gonna apply kajal on my face. This tattoo eyeliner. With the help of this I'm gonna make a Radha Bindi. Created the Radha Bindi in between my eyebrows. I don't know कि कैसे लगने वाला है ये. बहुत मुश्किल से बनी है. So don't judge me. So guys, my Radha inspired look is ready and hope you guys just love this look. I will bring back with new videos in such a festive season. Till then, Radhe Radhe. Thanks for watching my video.